Hello everyone, very affectionate greetings from Clifford International School. We are delighted to share with you that have come up with an excellent online platform called Clifford app. We will make you familiar with app functionality. For this, you will require only the installation of our Clifford app. Now we will see how to download the app from Play Store. Click on the Play Store and go to the search bar. Type Clifford International School and then click on the search button. You will see the Clifford app over here. Click on install. After installing the app, click on the Clifford International Schools icon and then click on next or 3 times. You can see 3 options on the page, that is make an appointment, student login and Astra Plus login. But in today's video we are going to learn how we can make an appointment using Clifford app. So click on the make an appointment and then you can see appointment request form. You need to fill this form. For this, first you need to put your name in that. Click on the name and put the student's name. Then go into the contact number, put your contact number over here. In the second option, you need to fill the details of appointment. For what you are making an appointment, select the faculty for it. And in second one, you can give the reason for an appointment. I am giving the reason for academic details. You can simply select the date also for the appointment. I am selecting 24 here. You can select the time as well, like what time slot you want, in morning or afternoon. This is the simple form of making an appointment and just request for application. You'll see your appointment will be confirmed via call within 19 minutes. That is, you have just requested for the form. You will get confirmation from the school regarding this and then you can come for an appointment in the school. Once your appointment is confirmed by school, then at the time of appointment, you'll see your name and appointment details on the screen near the school gate.